Here's baby blue. Huh. Is this blue that we're working with? Hey, little one. Okay, you ready to go? Oh my goodness. This might be brown. Let me see. I need to see your white chest. Yeah, this is brown. I think. Let me see. You have white hairs on your little chest? Yeah, little white hairs. Yeah, this is brown. He's 5-week-old Newfypoo. Good boy, buddy. Good job. So his impulse is to come after the food in my hand, but he's choosing to hold still instead of assault me. Eye contact is really good, but if he doesn't quite get to that point, it's okay. He did. He got eye contact. Good job, baby. What, you want a jackpot for that? Or you must be pretty hungry, huh? You didn't get enough milk last time? Good job. How are you so cute? How are you so cute? Huh? See all the explosions? Oh, I didn't make him fail, but he failed. So we're gonna get him to go back into his little, good sit, buddy. Yeah, I didn't mean to make you fail, but I pushed you. I pushed you. Let's see what you do. So, I probably could have clicked slightly sooner on that. Good man. He does this really cute thing where he uses his paw to hit his mama's breast when he's milking, or nursing, and it's just the cutest thing. I don't want to discourage it, but I don't know if the owner will like that or not. But I think it's adorable because it's a soft. See how he lifts his little paw? It's so cute. Here, bud. So I could have clicked a little bit earlier on that again. Just, I'm going to be more precise. You're hungry, huh? Hi, Brown. 5-week-old Newfypoo, huh? Just a dolly. Just the sweetest little boy. You are the sweetest. Huh. See, I am the sweetest. Good job. We'll be done. We'll be done. Should I get you some more food? Good job, little boy. Good job, little man. You're great. You are great. Let me get some more food. You want some more food? Well, that's too much. Oh, sorry. Come here. Come here, buddy. Yeah. What, you want to play with this? Come here. You want food? Okay. Well, that's fine. You're so good. Yeah, you love the chicken? Good. Because I cut this all up for you guys. Nice and small. Good job, little boy. Man, you are hungry.